a real number 2 square into 3 square into 7 cube the whole upon 2 square into 5 cube into 3 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 4 will have a terminating or non-terminating, repeating or non-repeating decimal expansion. Here, there are two questions over here. First is terminating or non-terminating. Second is repeating or non-repeating. These two are separate questions. Handle them separately. Firstly, we'll handle terminating versus non-terminating. Okay. Firstly, before targeting terminating and non-terminating, we'll have to solve this. How to solve this? 2 square into 3 square into 7 cube upon 2 square into 5 cube into 3 raised to 5 into 7 raised to 5. 7 raised to 4, sorry. Bring them at one level. Means all this 2 square, 3, all this, bring it at once. So, what will it be? 2 square gone. Okay. 3 square and 3 raised to 5. So, it will be 3 cube in the denominator. 5 cube as it is. 7 cube 7 raised to 4. So, 7 raised to 1. So what remains is 1 upon 3 cube into 5 cube into 7 raised to 1. Okay. So this is what remains. Now once this remains, so what is the condition for terminating versus non-terminating? The denominator should be of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, where m and n are positive integers. So 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n and no more numbers, nothing else. So in our case, is it there? 2 raised to m, nowhere. 5 raised to n, okay, it's there. But there is some more number also, 7 raised to 1. So this can't be terminating. This is non-terminating. See here, look at this. It should not be 2 raised to m into 3 raised to 1 or 5 raised to n into 3 square or 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n into something else. It should not be that. It should only be 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, nothing else. So in our case, it's not the case. So it is non-terminating. This condition is for terminating only. Okay. Now repeating versus non-repeating. Okay. For if it is a rational number, simple logic. If it is a rational number, then it's repeating. If it's an irrational number, then it's non-repeating. In our case, see this. Is this a rational or irrational number? 1 over 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 raised to 1. If you multiply everything and find the answer, it's always a rational number. What is the difference between rational and irrational number? So here, numbers can be divided into two parts, real and imaginary. Real can be divided into two parts, rational and irrational. Rational can be divided into, again, these fractions, I don't think so, that's not correct. Irrational can be divided into integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, all these things, because fraction is a part of integer only. Means anything can be a fraction. Okay. So rational can be divided into integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, okay, whatever. And these remaining are irrational. Now what is the difference between these two, rational and irrational then? See, rational means what? P upon Q, where PQ are integers and Q not equal to 0, right? Then what is irrational? Irrational cannot be expressed as P upon Q. Okay. And where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Then you will say, how is it possible? Suppose if I write here, irrational means what? Root 2, root 3, all these are irrational. Why they are irrational? Because the roots cannot be removed. Like surds, roots cannot be removed. So these are irrational. So you will say, then in that case, let's say this root 2 upon 1. So isn't it a rational number then? Because it satisfies the condition P upon Q, Q not equal to 0. It does not satisfy where P, Q are integers. Is root 2 an integer? No. Why is it not an integer? Because if you find the square root of 2, it is 1.41421 blah 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 blah, and it does not end. What is an integer? Integer means there is a terminating. It ends somewhere after the point. Somewhere. It can be after 1000 places also, but it ends. But square root of 2 never ends. It goes up to infinity. Number 1. And number 2, is there any repetition which you can see? 414 or 213. Is there anything getting repeated? No. So, irrational numbers, non-repeating, and they go carry on and on and on and on. Okay. So non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay. I'll show you in the table. See this, decimal expansions, terminating, non-terminating. Now which are terminating? These are definitely rationals. Okay, 2.5 to 3.28, whatever it is. And non-terminating, then they are non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, now non-terminating repeating means 2.5555 something or 1.3232 or 1.5757, whatever it is. When they are non-terminating repeating, then they are rational numbers, and when they are non-terminating non-repeating, then they are irrational numbers. So in our case, this fraction is a rational number. Is there any root sign over here which can be solved? No. So it's a rational. So once it's a rational, so it will be definitely repeating. Okay. So it is repeating. So our final answer is what? Non-terminating and repeating. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them.